Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the Puerto Rican poppy himself, Zabdiel from the group CNCO. Let's just get into it. This is a dance and vocals video. I don't need to give no introduction. Hey, And one thing about it, their dance move is a lot of footwork. Oh, I like that jacket. I like those smokes. Hey. Oh, the calf muscles have to be amazing. Oh. Hey. Oh, I like that. Ooh. Hey. This type of beat, that what do you call it, the up tempo type of beat, I want a music video from them with this type of beat. Oh my god, that dance break was everything. Looks like it's was this in Miami? Like,
Nadie tiene el control del corazón. Sabemos que la vida y el amor se vale todo, mami. Se vale todo. Nadie tiene el control del corazón. Sabemos que la guerra y el amor se vale todo, mami. Se vale todo.
I wanted to correct this whole thing without that Viva performance with an vlog.
Y pa' meterle un poquito al free, improvisando en premio juventud, siempre bien loco formando World Revolú. Ey, Lali, tú sabes que rompe cuando baila, me gusta como lo rebota, como dice el guayna. Ey, y tú sabes que estamos aquí
She's gorgeous.
Y dime si mi flow te está motivando.
Girl, you better stop. You too will be pregnant.
Dámelo, voy.
Hey.
Querido cariño, mi niño, yo soy la sureña que sueña y tengo el flow siempre conmigo. ¿Cómo?
Okay, shorty with the verse.
Eso mismo.
Dale pa' arriba, dale, están las solteras en la pelea. Sin miedo, muévete.
Hey.
Yo solo la miré, me gustó, me pegué, le invité y bailemos. Anoche estaba en un reggaeton. Esos que no se bailan. Yo solo la miré, me gustó, me pegué, le invité y bailemos. Anoche estaba en un reggaeton. Esos que no se
So that was a dance and vocals version video, about 4 minutes, to the group member Zabdiel, Puerto Rican Poppy, Puerto Rico, Zabdiel himself. I will say it over and over, over and over. I really do like this group. Please go in and support them. They just released basically a Deja Vu album on February the 5th. Go get it. I did. It's amazing. I also purchased it on iTunes as well. So go out and support. And that was Puerto Rican Poppy himself, Zabdiel. I have no more to say. I love me some Zabdiel. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night.